Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education, and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week, the question that came into me was via email, and it was from Paul. And Paul said, "Hi, Anissa. I am currently on a fire job, and my customer is asking me for a guarantee of my work and for the removal of odor. She specifically has asked me about this odor removal guarantee a couple of times. I don't know how to answer this, and I was just wondering how you would suggest that I respond to such a request. I'm thinking maybe a year guarantee, but I wanted to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for your videos." Paul. Well, Paul, I will definitely tell you my thoughts. You are on a fire job and you are doing odor removal, and you're going to guarantee no more odor for a year. I would say that's not a very good plan. Okay, literally your client is hiring you, and obviously this is very important that the odor be removed, which on a fire job, if you've ever been on one, you know that's a really big deal. So what I would suggest is that you take that completely out of your client's mind and out of the equation. Okay, you know what I would say to that? I would say, Mr. Mrs. Homeowner, I would be happy to give you a guarantee. In fact, I'm giving you a guarantee that your home and your contents will never have odor again, ever. Yeah, that's a pretty big, bold claim, isn't it? That's actually what I do in my company. I give a guarantee for life that once I'm done remediating a fire job, there will never, ever be odor again in that home or in the contents, okay? That is a very big, bold claim, but I will tell you what it does. It will lock down a job every single time. I mean, you talk about no better way to market. You are literally so confident in your ability to remediate this job that you're taking all of the fear away and telling them that you're never going to have odor again. In fact, when we did reconstruction in jobs, we actually gave a 5-year guarantee on all of our workmanship. Now, that's pretty crazy. If you know anything about reconstruction and building in our country anyway, in the United States, nobody, not even a custom home builder, gives you a 5-year guarantee on the workmanship. You know what our state says in Washington? You only have to give 90-day guarantee on your workmanship if you're a contractor. So when we said, hey, we guarantee our work for 5 years, we had people saying we were nuts, saying that, oh, you're going to get taken advantage of. That's just crazy, never heard of. You know how many times that we had a callback in 15 years that we did that? Twice. One time was because of 4 rough little boys in a house, and they ripped some trim off of a wall, or actually a doorway, a door jamb. Was that workmanship? No. But did we go back and put it back on? Absolutely. And the second time was actually on another job where there were some faulty materials that were installed, and we wound up getting it covered by the manufacturer. We went ahead and did the labor, didn't charge for that, but we got the materials covered by the manufacturer. Be bold, Paul. Give a guarantee that, number one, takes the fear away from your clients for doing business with you, and the other will make your competition irrelevant. I mean, how many people give those kind of guarantees? You're giving a complete 100%, no exclusion guarantee on your work with this odor removal. Do it. And if you're not confident enough to give that kind of a guarantee, then maybe you need some more training, maybe you need some more skills, maybe you need some more equipment to be able to get the job done right, okay? So be confident in your work, and that will be relayed to your client when you give an unconditional guarantee like that. By the way, that's a super huge marketing tip that I just gave you as well, okay? All right, well, thank you so much, Paul, for the question. Be sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel and send your questions that you may have to Anissa at firehouseeducation.com. And I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.